Hi, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find the joint and marginal relative frequencies of this problem and to find the probability using joint and marginal relative frequencies. So the problem states, a teacher collected data on the activities the class performed on their summer break and summarized the data in a table. And you can see here, this is the data set of the students that went to the beach and joined a sports team. And we are given three questions. The first question is to make a table of the joint and marginal relative frequencies. The second one is to, given that a student went to the beach, what is the probability that he or she joined a sports team? And the third one, given that a student did not go to the beach, what is the probability he or she did not join a sports team? As you can see here, I made a new table so that we can find the joint and marginal relative frequencies. Now, to find the joint relative frequencies, we have to take the values in each categories and divide it with the total number of values, which is 36. To find the total number of values, what you need to do here is to add the values in each categories altogether. So, to find the joint relative frequencies, what I'm going to do here is to 10 divided by 36, same with 11 over 36, 9 over 36, and 6 over 36. And you can use the calculator to do that. So 10 divided by 36 is approximately 0.2778. 11 divided by 36 is approximately 0.3056. 9 divided by 36 is equal to 0.25. And finally, 6 over 36 is approximately 0.1667. And now, in these columns and rows, before finding the marginal relative frequencies, we have to add the values of this and this to find the combined value of the joint relative frequencies. So the sum of these two is 0.5834. The sum of these two is 0.4167. For this one, to find the value in here, we have to add the values in this row. So it's 0.5278 and 0.4723. And if we add all of them together, it should be approximately equal to 1 because we just estimated the values in each of the categories. Now we have just found the joint and marginal relative frequencies. Now let's go to the second question. Given that the student went to the beach, what is the probability that he or she joined a sports team? And in this case, we have to find how many students went to the beach. So we have to observe on this column. What is the probability that he or she joined a sports team? So as you can see here, there are 10 people that joined a sports team. So to find the probability, we have to divide the values in this category divided by the sum of the values in this column. So in this case, as you can see here, we have to divide 0.2778 by 0.5834. And dividing it, will give you an approximate value of 0.4762. If you convert it into percentage form, it's 47.62%. So that's the answer for question B. Now let's go to the third question. Given that the student did not go to the beach, what's the probability he or she did not join a sports team? So what we have to do here is to observe how many students did not go to the beach. So we look at this column. What is the probability he or she did not join the sports team? So there are 6 people that did not go to the beach and at the same time did not join the sports team. So what we have to do here is to divide 6 with the sum of the values in here, or in this case we have to divide 0.1667 by 0.4167. So if you divide it, it will give you an approximate value of 0.40004, or if you put it into percentage form, it will be about 40%. So we have found the probability for the second and third questions.